Right now we're going to finish up this little pot here. What you want to do, remember I threw this off of the wheel, off that mound, and I made it to where there's very little cleanup. So right now all I have to do, you find the center of your wheel, and the wheel head should have these little round marks going around and around, and that can guide you to try to find the center. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're just cleaning it up. So there, we got that centered. Just take your metal rib, and be careful, make sure your hands are dry, make sure the rib is dry. Just simply put it right on top. Whoop. And you can secure this with some clay so that doesn't happen, but it's no big deal. We're going to put some stuff on top of here anyway. See? That's the only cleanup we had to do with this guy. We didn't have to trim it. We didn't have to waste any clay, waste any time. Now we've got our lid nice and ready, and put some little accents on it right there.